Greetings, Virgo. So I'm coming to you with your reading. We're going to start off with your astrological houses. So the first house you received was the money, which is the second house. Um, you receive, I did clarify that, and you receive the expectation card from the Kipper deck, and then you receive the Queen of Wands in reverse. So, you could be, I don't know why I'm picking up Lady of the Night, or basically someone, or, some type of, dark, uh, basically harboring the energy of the Queen of Wands, because we know that in tarot that there are no genders. So yeah, so you could be someone who is harboring the energy of the Queen of Wands in reverse, and you're expecting something, which could be something financial, and which, like I said, this is what's coming up in the money, your second house. Take what resonates, what doesn't. You don't feel obligated to make it apply. Next up, you receive death, which is the eighth house. Um, I did clarify that. What came out was the Thief card, the Lover's card from the Kipper, and then the Zillich. From the Zillich Tarot, you receive Justice, Nine of Swords, Ace of Wands. So from this, I just picked up that justice is coming in. Definitely take what resonates. You know what side of karma you may be on. Something about a thief and lovers. So there could be a lover that is a thief, or it could be someone that you may be in close counters with, or it could be someone you know who may have a third party who is a thief. Okay, so just take what resonates with your situation. And after this justice, it will be a rebirth. Next, you received health and wellness, which is the sixth house. So, that was clarified by mature man, sudden wealth, Prince of Disc, which is Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and then the Tower. So, some mature man could be coming into sudden wealth. Okay. And then a Taurus, this mature man could be a earth sign. I wasn't picking that up. Or you could have earth placements, I shall say. Okay, so you could have earth placements. I'm picking up more earth placements versus your sun being an earth sign, if you get what I'm saying. So you could be a cross watcher, and then you could be experiencing a tower because the tower card came out. I'm picking up that this could be a positive tower. Okay, but like I said, whatever side of karma you are on. So next up, we have the healing frequencies. Okay, so the first healing frequency card you received was the Tibetan healing sounds. So this helps with healing, great for meditation. It cleanses the aura. It helps with stress relief and relaxation and calming. Next, you receive the Meditate Using Crystals card, and some great crystals to use when meditating are clear quartz, which is a master stone. It amplifies the metaphysical properties of all stones, and it's also great to be used alone. Or paired with another stone. Next, we have selenite. Selenite is a self-cleansing stone. I do not recommend putting this in water. And it is great just for overall just cleansing out bad energy. Then we have amethyst. Amethyst is great for protection. I also like for use it for as well, paired with rose quartz for self love and things of that nature. Very good intuition stone as well. Next, we have rose quartz. Like I said, rose quartz is all about self love, love, period, self worth, self respect. And then we have smoky quartz. Smoky quartz is a great cleansing out negative energy stone. And then we have black tourmaline, and black tourmaline is a basically just overall great great for banishing negative energy as well and cleansing the aura. Okay, and I do want to say selenite too is great for cleansing the chakras and aligning them. Okay, so next we have random words for you, Virgo. So the first card that came out for you all was wall, WALL. Then we have vessel, and of the word, when I asked Spirit to clarify wall and vessel, brother came out, and then wheel, WHEEL came out, and then breathe came out as well. Next we have your rainbow random words, and you receive the rune that talks about harmony, prosperity, and reward. Then you receive thief again. Okay, so next we have blockages, we have matrix, you receive trauma or generational curses. Then you receive the rune that represents justice, leadership, and logic. And then you receive the word that talks about workplace. Okay. Okay, Virgo. Next, we're going to go over your angel cards. So, the angel cards you received was, and y'all know I be butchering these names, so bear with me. The angel card, first one you received was Angel Asila. The dates November 13th through the 17th may be of some significance, and Angel Asila helps with heavenly connections. Next, you receive Angel Ayahel. The dates January 26th through the 7th may be of some significance, and Angel Ayahel blesses you with wisdom. Next, we have Angel Heziel. The dates May 1st through the 5th may be of some significance, and Angel Heziel helps or grants forgiveness. Okay. And that is everything I have for you, Virgo. I hope you enjoyed this quick reading. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Gratitude for supporting my platform, and I will talk to you all in the next video.